Manage identification and authentication of people, devices, and services. Identity and Access Management, IAM, is the management of identities, including people, devices, and services. To be able to access a resource, a user, device, or service must provide an identity. A person's identity is who they are. Identification is the process of verifying that a claimed identity is valid. For example, identification occurs when a person supplies a user ID and a system verifies that the user ID is valid. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a person or device. For example, when a person uses a user ID, they are required to provide their password to prove that they are the owner of that user ID. The final stage of the identity lifecycle is referred to as deprovisioning, disabling, revocation. Revocation means ending a person's general access to the system. For example, a bank member closed an account.